YouTube has become one of the biggest platforms for content creators around the world. With millions of viewers and billions of hours watched every day, it's no wonder why so many people are turning to YouTube as a way to showcase their talents and earn money. But with so much competition out there, how can you stand out from the crowd? One option that many YouTubers are turning to is YouTube automation, a process where tools and software automate certain tasks on your channel. But does it really work? In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about YouTube automation, from what it is and how it works, to its pros and cons, tips on using it effectively, common mistakes to avoid, and more. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of YouTube automation together. What is YouTube automation and how does it work? YouTube automation is the process of using tools and software to automate certain tasks on your channel. These tasks can include things like video editing, thumbnail creation, publishing videos at specific times, and even managing comments. By automating these tasks, you can save time and effort while still maintaining a consistent posting schedule. There are several different types of YouTube automation tools available today. Some focus on video editing and post-production, while others specialize in social media management or analytics tracking. Many of these tools use artificial intelligence, AI, algorithms to help streamline the workflow. One popular type of YouTube automation tool is vidIQ, a browser extension that offers features such as keyword research, tag suggestions, competitor analysis, and more. Another popular tool is TubeBuddy, an all-in-one toolkit for managing your channel's growth with features like bulk processing tools for annotations, end screens, cards, keywords, etc., video SEO optimization tips, suggestions, reporting, etc., audience demographics insights, reports, tools, campaigns, etc. Integrations with Google Analytics, Data Studio, Search Console, Campaign Manager, YouTube Studio Beta, podcasting platforms, etc. YouTube automation tools offer numerous benefits for content creators looking to grow their channels quickly and efficiently without sacrificing quality content or consistency in posting schedules. Pros and cons of using YouTube automation tools. Using YouTube automation tools can have both pros and cons for creators. One of the biggest advantages is that it saves time and effort in creating content. Automation software can assist with tasks like video editing, captioning, keyword research, and analytics tracking. Another benefit is that it allows creators to focus on other aspects of their channel such as marketing or engaging with viewers. With more time freed up from tedious tasks, they can allocate resources towards growing their audience. However, there are also potential drawbacks to using automation tools. For example, some may produce low-quality content if not configured correctly or used improperly. This could potentially harm a creator's reputation and reduce engagement rates among subscribers. Another con is that automated content lacks the personal touch that comes with manually created videos. Viewers may notice when a creator employs excessive use of automation software and become disengaged as a result. Ultimately, whether or not to use YouTube automation tools depends on individual goals and preferences. Creators should weigh the pros and cons before deciding whether these tools are right for them. My experience with YouTube automation. As a content creator on YouTube, I wanted to explore the world of automation and see if it could improve my channel's growth. After doing some research, I decided to try out different tools that promised automated video creation and optimization. At first, it was exciting to have videos uploaded automatically without me having to do all the work. However, after a few weeks of relying solely on automation, I noticed that the quality of my content had decreased significantly. The titles were repetitive and dull, the descriptions lacked personality, and engagement with viewers was virtually non-existent. I also realized that some tools used clickbait titles or irrelevant tags just to increase views but hurt my channel in the long run. My audience started noticing this too as they called out these spammy tactics in comments, which made me look bad. While there are some benefits to using automation tools such as saving time and increasing efficiency, they shouldn't replace human creativity when creating content for your channel. The impact of YouTube automation on channel growth. The impact of YouTube automation on channel growth can vary depending on how it's utilized. On one hand, automating certain tasks like video editing and thumbnail creation can save time and allow creators to focus on creating more content. This could potentially lead to an increase in output and subsequently, a boost in subscribers. However, relying too heavily on automation tools without considering the quality of the content being produced may have negative consequences. For example, if videos are poorly edited or use unappealing thumbnails generated by an algorithm, viewers may lose interest in the channel. Additionally, using automation solely for its potential to increase views or subscribers could result in a lack of authenticity that is often necessary for building a loyal fanbase. Viewers want to connect with real people behind their favorite channels. Relying too much on automation may make the creator seem disconnected from their audience. While there are benefits to utilizing YouTube automation tools for certain tasks, it's important for creators to strike a balance between efficient production methods and maintaining authenticity and quality content. Tips on using YouTube automation effectively. YouTube automation can be a powerful tool to help grow your channel, but it's important to use it effectively in order to get the most out of it. Here are some tips on using YouTube automation effectively. First and foremost, make sure you're using high-quality content that will engage your audience. No amount of automation can compensate for low-quality videos. Next, take advantage of all the available features in your chosen automation tool. This could include things like scheduling uploads or automatically sharing new videos on social media. It's also important to track your metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Keep an eye on things like views, engagement, and subscriber growth so you know what's working and what isn't. Another key tip is to stay current with trends and algorithm changes. The YouTube algorithm is constantly evolving, so keeping up to date with best practices will help ensure that your automated content stays relevant. Don't rely solely on automation. Remember to engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating new content based on their feedback. By combining effective automation strategies with genuine interaction, you'll be well positioned for long-term success on YouTube. Common mistakes to avoid with YouTube automation. When it comes to YouTube automation, there are a few common mistakes that content creators should avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is relying too heavily on automated tools and neglecting personal engagement with your audience. Another mistake is using generic templates or scripts for your videos, which can lead to unoriginal and uninspiring content. It's important to remember that while automation can save time, it's still important to put effort into creating quality content. Additionally, many creators make the mistake of blindly following popular trends without considering their own unique brand or message. While it's great to stay up to date with current trends, always keep in mind what sets you apart from other channels. It's also crucial not to overlook video optimization for SEO purposes when automating videos. Automated titles and descriptions may not be optimized for search engines, resulting in poor visibility. Don't forget about legal considerations such as copyright infringement when using third-party footage or music in your automated content. Always ensure that you have permission before using any copyrighted material. By avoiding these common mistakes and taking a thoughtful approach to automation, YouTubers can create engaging and successful channels while saving time through automation techniques. The future of YouTube automation. As technology continues to evolve, the future of YouTube automation looks promising. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we can expect even more sophisticated tools to be developed that will streamline video creation processes for YouTubers. One possible direction for YouTube automation is the use of predictive analytics. By analyzing user data and behaviors, these tools may be able to suggest content topics and formats that are likely to perform well with specific audiences. Another potential development is the integration of virtual reality into YouTube automation. This could allow creators to build immersive experiences using 360-degree videos or VR technology without needing specialized equipment or technical knowledge. However, it's important to remember that automating too much can lead to a loss of authenticity and engagement with viewers. As such, it's crucial for creators who use automation tools to strike a balance between efficiency and personalization so as not to alienate their audience. While there may be some challenges ahead when it comes to balancing automated processes with creative expression on YouTube, the future certainly looks bright for those willing to embrace new technologies and experiment with different approaches towards video creation on this platform. Conclusion. YouTube automation can be a useful tool for content creators looking to save time and streamline their workflow. However, it is important to understand the potential risks and drawbacks involved. Before diving into automation tools, consider outsourcing video creation to ensure high-quality content that aligns with your channel's brand. Additionally, research and test various automation tools before committing to one. When using automation tools, prioritize quality over quantity. The YouTube algorithm values engagement and viewer retention over sheer number of videos uploaded. It is also crucial to maintain ethical practices when automating your YouTube channel. Avoid using clickbait titles or misleading thumbnails in an attempt to drive views. While YouTube automation can provide benefits for channel growth and efficiency, it should be approached with caution and used strategically within a broader content strategy. The benefits of outsourcing video creation. Outsourcing video creation can be an excellent way to save time and money while still producing high-quality content for your YouTube channel. By working with a professional video production company or freelance videographer, you can benefit from their expertise, equipment, and editing skills without having to invest in all of those resources yourself. One of the biggest benefits of outsourcing video creation is that it allows you to focus on other aspects of running your channel. Instead of spending hours filming and editing videos, you can use that time to plan new content, engage with your audience, or even take a break. Another advantage is the potential for increased production value. Professional videographers have experience creating visually appealing shots and using advanced editing techniques that can make your videos stand out from the competition. This attention to detail could lead to more engagement from viewers and potentially higher revenue through monetization. Additionally, outsourcing gives you access to a wider range of talent than what may be available within your own team. You can find someone who specializes in creating certain types of videos or has experience working with specific niches or audiences. Outsourcing video creation offers many advantages for YouTubers looking to improve their channel's quality while also saving time and energy. Exploring the best YouTube automation tools. When it comes to YouTube automation tools, there are several options available in the market. Some of the most popular ones include TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Hootsuite. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that offers features such as keyword research, video optimization suggestions, and bulk processing tools. It also provides analytics on your channel's performance and competitor analysis. vidIQ is another browser extension that helps with SEO optimization by providing data-driven insights into keywords and tags. Additionally, it has a feature called Boost, which allows for automated social media sharing of your videos. Hootsuite isn't specifically designed for YouTube automation but can be used for scheduling social media posts promoting your videos. This is especially useful if you have multiple platforms to manage all at once. Other notable mentions include Canva for creating custom thumbnails quickly and easily, or Google Trends to help identify current topics trending on the platform. It's important to note that while these tools offer convenience and increased efficiency in managing your channel, they should not fully replace human interaction with your content creation process. How to monetize your YouTube automation channel. Monetizing your YouTube channel is one of the best ways to earn passive income. With YouTube automation, generating revenue becomes more convenient and achievable than ever before. Here are some tips on how to monetize your automated YouTube channel effectively. Firstly, enable ads for your videos. By allowing ads to run on your content, you can generate a steady stream of income based on views and clicks. However, be mindful not to disrupt user experience with too many ads or intrusive placements. Secondly, consider affiliate marketing opportunities by promoting products that align with your niche or audience's interests in the video description or through product placement within videos. Thirdly, explore sponsorships and brand deals as another source of revenue for your channel. Reach out to businesses that match your brand image and values while ensuring any partnerships fit naturally within the content of each video. Implementing these strategies will help maximize earnings from an automated YouTube channel. Remember always to prioritize creating engaging content that resonates with viewers while simultaneously opening up new avenues for monetization opportunities without sacrificing quality or authenticity. The ethics of YouTube automation. When it comes to YouTube automation, ethical concerns are bound to arise. While using automation tools can save time and effort, it raises questions about the authenticity of content creation on the platform. One major ethical concern is that YouTube automation can lead to a flood of low-quality or spam-like content. This not only diminishes the viewing experience for users but also undermines the integrity of creators who put in genuine effort into their videos. Another issue with YouTube automation is that it goes against what makes YouTube unique as a social media platform: originality and creativity. By relying heavily on automated tools, creators risk losing their individual voice and style, which ultimately impacts engagement with viewers. However, this does not necessarily mean that all forms of automation are unethical. Some may argue that if used responsibly and ethically, such as outsourcing certain tasks like video editing or SEO research, it can actually enhance a creator's ability to create high-quality content consistently. Ultimately, it's up to individual creators to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of using automation tools while keeping in mind the impact it has on their audience's viewing experience. Understanding the role of the YouTube algorithm in automation. YouTube automation tools can be a valuable asset for content creators looking to save time and streamline their workflow. However, it's important to approach automation with caution and use these tools in conjunction with manual effort. To effectively grow your channel using automation, it's crucial to understand the role of the YouTube algorithm in determining which videos are suggested and surfaced to users. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, tags, and metadata for SEO and relevance, you'll increase your chances of appearing in search results and recommended videos. Ultimately, whether or not YouTube automation is worth pursuing depends on your individual goals as a creator. If you're primarily focused on maximizing views and revenue while minimizing workload, then automated systems may be a good fit for you. But if authenticity and creativity are more important than efficiency metrics alone, then sticking with manual processes might be the better choice. Whatever path you choose as a content creator on YouTube or any other platform, remember that success requires dedication and hard work, no matter how much technology we have at our disposal.